Are you tired of switching between platforms and accounts to keep all of your sales data and lead information up to date? Are you ready to optimize your sales process with an easy-to-use visual sales pipeline? With GetResponse CRM, you'll have everything you need to help you turn your email leads into sales, all in one place. You'll collect, nurture, sell, and repeat from one account. Collect your contacts and leads, nurture them with targeted messages and touch points. When the time is right, close that winning deal with a sale. Then enjoy repeat sales again and again through your finely tuned sales pipeline. Now's the time to power up your sales process and close more winning deals through an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. By managing your customer relationships with deals and stages that you define, you can connect with your deals at key touch points in your nurturing funnel. You'll be ready when they're ready. GetResponse CRM allows you to keep all of your leads information in one place and make informed decisions. The setup couldn't be simpler. Define a lead owner, closing date, and deal value. Then, easily sort and track your deal's performance to spot the quickest wins at a glance. And then drag and drop your deals forward in the pipeline. Add tasks and comments to your deals to stay on top of your daily sales and nurturing activities. Make your email list work for you using the combined power of CRM, email marketing, automation, and more. Ready to optimize your sales process and start earning big with your email list? Then start building your custom sales pipelines with GetResponse CRM now.